The human heart is an amazing illustration of Principle 1 of chiropractic. The body is created with inborn capacity to maintain order. The journey begins at the cellular level with cardiomyocytes or heart muscle cells. These cells possess a unique ability to communicate electrically with their neighbors. When these cells organize into cardiac muscle tissue, they do not merely sit side by side. They function as a syncytium, a single giant coordinated unit that contracts in perfect rhythm. The heart is formed by integrating cardiac muscle tissue with electrical conduction tissue in the internal pacemaker system. This integration is not random. It is a structural arrangement where these disparate tissues work together to accomplish a goal, pumping blood that no individual tissue could ever achieve alone. This demonstrates order and harmony designed within your body. What if the nervous system was cut out of the loop? Where would your heart be? Chiropractic neurospinal care. Life is better with brighter neurospinal connections.